Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Excellency Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM, the Chief of Zainul Hasan Islamic University, and the Honorable to Dr. Aziz Wahab BIMAG as the Chief of Zainul Hasan Islamic University, and also respectable to Miss Endang Kurniati MPD as a lecturer of Grammar 2. And also thank you very much for Miss Endang who give me opportunity to improve my poor grades at last semester in the subject of Grammar 2. On this beautiful opportunity, I will explain about the present tense or simple present. From what is the present tense or simple present? From the definitions, a verb form used to express event or an actions that are ongoing or happening at a moment or that are general repetitive. In Indonesian, the present tense is often translated as present time or present form. From the example, I drink water. From these definitions, we can take that is present tense or simple present that talk about some actions or that are ongoing or happening in some moments. And also from these definitions, we can think that a general or repetitive actions is called by simple present or present tense exactly. Next, present tense types or simple present types. On this present tense or simple present, there are 4 types of present tense or simple present. The first is simple present tense, second present continuous tense or present progressive, third is present perfect tense, fourth is present perfect continuous tense. Next, we talk about simple present tense. Simple present tense is used from stating a general fact, habit, or routine. From these definitions, we can take of simple present tense is talk about some activity that affect or general fact, activity, our habits, and our routines. For the structure of simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 plus object. From the example is I eat breakfast every morning. And also from the different example, we can take I go to school every morning. And next, we talk about present continuous tense or present progressive. Present continuous tense or present progressive is we take from the definitions, we can think about an expression and actions that is currently taking place at the time of speaking. Present progressive or we can talk about present continuous is talk about our when we time of speaking and also currently we taking the place. From the structure, subject plus to be is and are plus verb ing and plus object. From the example, I am studying right now. And also it's like me now I'm presenting present progressive now. And also next about present perfect tense. Present perfect tense used to express an action that was completed and used specific time in the past but is still relevant or influential in the present. from the structure, subject plus has or has plus verb 3 and plus object. From the example, I have visit Paris. Now, present perfect tense is talk about some actions that was we do or was we gone to I think express an actions that was we do like that. That is present perfect that but still relevant or influence in the present time. Now, next we talk about present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous is used to expressing an actions that began in the past and is still ongoing or has a relationship finish with a focus on durations. It means present perfect continuous tense is expressing some actions that will be began or it's still in our plan that we will do like that. From the structure, subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing plus object. And from the example, I have been studying for 3 hours. And also, I have been from other examples, I have been presented, I have been presenting present perfect continuous tense in a half minute like that. Nah, and also what is the differences or what is the differences between simple present and present progressive. Now, from the usage, simple present used to state fact, habit or routine that occur general or repeatedly. It means simple presents that used to the fake situations. Facts is not fake but fake situations, our habits or our routines that occurrently general or we will repeatedly. For example, I go to school every day, I drink water in every morning, the sun rises in the east. Now, if talk about present progressive is used to express an action that is taking place at the time of speaking for the temporary. For the example, I'm going to school right now. It means we speak and we do. I think like that. For the example 2, she is studying for her exam at the moment, like that. And for the next, there namely stative verb or verb ing. Now, in stative verb or verb ing, there of every state in this verb. For there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are five states in this. First is verb of perceptions. Now, verb of perceptions is talk about some verb or some job, some work that with our instinct. For the example, see. From the example of the verb is see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. Now, each connect with our instinct. For the example, I see the mountains from my window. And next is verb of emotions. Now, verb of emotions is connect with our characteristics like love, hate, like, prefer, want, and need. For the example, she loves chocolate. And the next is verb of positions. Have of positions is mean some positions, some job that in our position. For example, have, own, or belong. For example, they have a new car. And the next is verb of self. In the verb example is know, believe, understand, remember. From the example, I know the answer. And the last is verb of state. verb of state, it mean it's like in our, it's like to be. For the example, be, seem, to be, seems, and appear. For the examples is he is a doctor. It's like I think verb of state is talk about verb of positions. No, it's different. If verb of positions is talk about some thing. That's all I can deliver in this beautiful opportunity. First, I say thank you very much for Miss Endang who give me opportunity to repair my bad values in last semester. First, I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.